Hi everyone, my name is Sonia, also known as Mrs. KiteArmy. Now, I know what you're thinking, where is Andrew? Well, don't worry, he's here.
Yeah, a little bit.
Today we're just flipping the script and I'm going to be in front of the camera for a bit instead of behind it. Now, if you guys are fans of KiteArmy, I know you know how much Andrew loves his Ego blowers, but if you're like me and you're a little on the smaller side, you know these blowers can get a little heavy, especially after using them for a while. Now, maybe you're not smaller, maybe you're one of our older friends, or maybe you're just smart and you want to be able to do more work with less effort. Listen, whatever the case is, you shouldn't have to sacrifice power for ease of use. And that's why today I'm going to be counting down the top 5 ways that you can make your blower lighter and easier to use. Let's get to it. Okay guys, number 5 on the list is a really simple solution. It's this strap right here. So take your strap, attach it to your blower here, right on this hook. And what that's gonna do is it's gonna transfer the weight from your wrist and your arm up to your shoulder, making it a lot easier to use for longer periods of time. But the cool thing about this is it's not just for the blower. You can also use your strap for other Ego tools like a string trimmer or the multi-head system. Now, for about 15 bucks, you're gonna be good to go, and we're gonna have a link to that right down below. All right, so number 4 on the list is the design of this Ego blower. Now, not only was it engineered to be light, it also has these handles on the base. So as you become fatigued, you can grab these handles and use 2 hands to distribute the weight. So here's another brand of blower, and you can see that it's just larger and more cumbersome to operate, and you don't have those handles at the base to help operate when you get fatigued. So number 3 is the stubby nozzle. Now, it was originally designed to be used with your blower to dry your car after a wash. But if you take the stock nozzle and replace it with the stubby nozzle, you're just gonna find that it's a little bit more maneuverable and easier to use. All right, number 2, it might seem obvious, but just use a smaller battery. Did you know that there's about a 5-pound difference between Ego's large 12 amp hour battery and the smallest 2.5 amp hour battery? Now that's significant, right? And you know, if you're wondering how to get them, you can buy them individually, or you can buy tools that come with the 2.5 amp hour so that you have a couple extras laying around. All right guys, it's time for number 1, and this is my favorite solution by far. It's the Ego 56-volt backpack link. And the reason why I love this is because it completely takes the weight out of the tool and puts it on your back just like a backpack. Now, there's no way that I could handle the largest 12 amp hour battery in the tool, but on my back, it's not a problem at all. And I can work for up to 2 hours with this thing on. So it's really easy to put together. And if you're interested, there's going to be a link right down below.
So what's going on here? I leave for a second and the wifey takes over. She did an awesome job, and if you appreciate what she did here today, please show her some love with some likes. Make sure you leave a comment down below about which tip you liked. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I promise you, there's still more Andrew coming your way. And when you're done with that, make sure you check out that video, that one right there. You're gonna love it. I'll see you around.